My back is feeling much better today, and today I've been doing a lot of masking, and I think I'm going to paint that, the jam that is. Here, now I masked, I got to pull that plug out yet, but the key to masking to where you don't get a paint line is not putting your masking tape straight on the surface. Like for example right here. That's the sticky side. I just fold the tape over on itself so you're not putting the sharp edge, putting the sticky side folded back, and then you'll avoid a sharp edge there. And then this is overhanging, just I want it stuck down into the what I want to spray, but I want it to overhang just enough to where I don't get a sharp edge. Even though that's all covered, it doesn't matter if there was. I just like the look of it better without a sharp mask edge. Even masked off underneath here so that I don't get overspray on the undercarriage. The doors, the jambs came out spectacular. Really looks good. Nice color flow, metallic flow, everything. It just totally came out amazing. I even laid it on really thick in here and had some runs in the final coat. I just missed it around, but I reduced my fan out and sprayed that up in there too. I didn't spray this because I hadn't cleaned it up yet, sanded it out. I'm going to do that and do that with the Rust-Oleum, but I painted that edge where the trim goes. Painted where the hinges, you know, where it was all rusty from where the hinges were. Yeah, looks good. Got a little bit of a run in the rocker right there, but I really don't care. It's in the door jamb, it'll look fine. All this came out perfect. I was laying the paint on really heavy in the wire channel, and when I was spraying this, I spread my fan back out, but my finger was rubbing on the thing on the spray gun and turned it back in. And that's why I got a run right there. So I'll have to really watch it, maybe put some tape on the fan thing if I'm not, you know, I usually change it as depending on where I'm spraying in the car. I sprayed all in there and all underneath here. Really looks good. Well, I know this is an ultra short video, but I just thought, you know, some of my viewers out there would like to see the paint job that I just did in the jambs. Now I'm thinking we're going to have some nice weather. I don't know if I get a chance I'll block these out and paint them yet this week. Maybe block them tomorrow and paint them the next day. We'll see. We will watch the weather and see what's going on. I want to let this set up enough to where I can back the car out if I spray these. I'll probably spray these inside no matter what. I actually opened the overhead door. It was 50 degrees out, so I had it about 75 in the garage since early this morning to warm all the metal up, and yeah, that way, you know, the surface was warm that the paint was going on, and everything looks really good. So I'll start on that rust hole next and try and get these painted. And if I get these painted, I can put them back on the car, get the skin of the door painted and back on the car. You know, then I can just mask that stuff off when I paint. Yeah, you know, mask the car off that way and cover it up, and you know, not have them laying around where they can get buggered up. But that is what I'm working on next as far as body work goes. I pulled all the masking tape off. I like to pull a tape when the paint feels dry to the touch before it's totally cured, so it just, you know, makes for a nicer job if something happens during demasking. You know, you're less chance of peeling something if it's still slightly tacky, and I demasked the door jamb too, and you can see no paint lines, no sharp spray lines whatsoever because of the way I masked it. See, even here, no sharp lines. So that's the key, is just don't put your tape sharp to the edge, put the adhesive end out. And that's the way I did it there too, and that came out perfect. So there we go. Looks really, really, really nice. Really happy with it. It's a good color match. Again, this is the same color as that, and the underside of this and the hood. But yeah, that makes a big difference, especially when you're standing here looking at the car. Wow. Well, if you like my video, if you like how the door jambs turned out on the door in the car, hit the like button. If you want to see this car all done up beautifully, subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching.